Meet Neo Robot, future's friend or foe. What's up, tech lovers? Welcome back to the Tech Bowl, the channel where we break down the coolest, weirdest, and sometimes scariest pieces of tech shaping our future. And today, we're talking about something straight out of a science fiction, but it's real and it's here. Yesterday, the future literally walked through the door. Just for $20,000, you can now own your very own humanoid robot. Meet Neo. Yeah, like the Matrix. But instead of dodging bullets, this one folds your laundry. Standing 5'6", weighing only 66 pounds, Neo looks more like your cozy roommate than a cold machine. Wrapped in what can only be described as a futuristic sweater onesie, it's a far cry from the shiny metal robots we grew up imagining. It even comes in 3 styles: white, gray, or black, because apparently your robot also needs fashion options. But don't let that cute exterior fool you. Neo can lift 150 pounds and carry over 50 while walking. That's more than most people at the gym right now. The real magic, though, is in its hands. Insanely dexterous, able to grasp, twist, and manipulate objects like a human. Imagine dropping your glass of wine. Neo can clean it up quietly at just 22 decibels. That's whisper quiet. So yeah, Neo can tidy up while you sleep, but the real story isn't just about this one robot. It's about what Neo represents. The beginning of a massive humanoid revolution that could change how we work, live, and even think about what it means to do a job. The brain behind Neo. So what's powering this mechanical miracle? Under its cozy knit skin sits some seriously powerful tech, NVIDIA's Jetson's Thor hardware. This chip is basically the brain that turns Neo from a dumb metal puppet into a semi-thinking, autonomous worker. It's packed with a GPU containing over 2,000 cores, designed for high-speed processing of data from sensors, cameras, and microphones, all in real time. It can see, hear, analyze, and respond, not just follow pre-programmed steps, but learn through machine vision and neural models. And here's where it gets wild. NVIDIA built an AI foundation called Project GROOT. Yes, that's its real name. GROOT is like an operating system for humanoids, an open model that lets robots understand human movements and learn by imitation. That means companies can literally train robots like Neo just by showing them how humans move. And guess what? The same tech stack is already powering robots from Boston Dynamics, Figure, Agility Robots, and Amazon Robotics. This isn't a one-off gadget. This is an entire ecosystem of machines learning how to walk, see, think, and adapt, all using the same digital brain. No wonder NVIDIA is on track to become the world's first $5 trillion company. They're not just making GPUs anymore. They're building the nervous system of the robot age. But hold on, let's not start celebrating our new mechanical overloads just yet. Neo might be impressive, but it's far from perfect. It can't cook, well, at least not safely, since open flames and synthetic fabric don't mix well. It can't drive a car, and thankfully, it can't handle firearms, which means your robot roommate won't be applying for a gun license anytime soon. Its biggest weakness, though, is something most people miss. When Neo encounters a task it doesn't understand, it can be remote controlled by a human. That's right. Somewhere across the world, a real human can teleport into your robot using a VR headset to guide it through complicated chores. Imagine paying 20 grand for a robot, only to find out it occasionally needs tech support from a human in another country. And yes, those teleoperators are real jobs. People literally log into robots from afar and train or assist them. So we've officially entered a new era of globalization. A factory worker in India might one day control a robot made in Los Angeles. The future of labor isn't just outsourced, it's teleported. Now, here's where things get a little dystopian. Neo doesn't just live with you, it lives around you. It can see, hear, and remember everything that's happening in your house. It learns your habits, your schedule, your voice, even your emotional tone. All so it can respond more naturally. That's cool in theory, but think about it. You're basically installing a walking surveillance camera with cloud connectivity. Every move, every sound, every personal moment could be uploaded to servers for learning purposes. And sure, companies promise your data is safe, but if the past decade has taught us anything, it's that privacy and AI don't always get along. So while Neo folds your clothes, it might also be quietly building a digital map of your life. Here's the thing, humanoid robots aren't new. We've seen experimental ones for decades. But two things finally made them practical. Number one, AI breakthroughs in movement, vision, and reasoning. And two, hardware powerful enough to run those AIs affordably. 10 years ago, a humanoid robot cost millions and couldn't even walk straight. Now, for $20K, you can get one that can pick up a cup, recognizes your face, and even holds a conversation. This isn't just progress, it's exponential acceleration. Billions in venture capital are flowing into robotic startups. Figure, TeslaBot, Agility, Sanctuary AI, all racing to dominate the humanoid workforce. And make no mistake, this isn't about helping humans do work. It's about replacing the work entirely. Factories, warehouses, delivery centers, even retail and elder care are all on the radar. Before we go deeper, if you're enjoying this breakdown and want to stay ahead of the tech curve, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the Tech Bowl. We cover the gadgets and innovations that are reshaping tomorrow. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Limitations, hopes, and fears. So let's be real for a second. Neo is incredible, but it's also a reminder that we're still figuring out what robots should do. They'll clean, assist, and eventually cook, sure. But they'll also raise huge questions. Who owns the data your robot collects? What happens when robots outnumber factory workers? And how do we adapt when machines start learning faster than we can train them? Some experts say humanoid robots will be as common as smartphones within the next 10 years. Others warn we're walking straight into a surveillance and unemployment crisis. The truth? Probably both. Because like every major technology, it's not inherently good or bad, it's just powerful. The bigger picture. Neo might look like a quirky helper now, but zoom out, and it's the beginning of a new industrial revolution. A world where robots not only assist, but think, learn, and adapt alongside us. It's both inspiring and unsettling. Today, it's folding your laundry. Tomorrow, it's managing your warehouse. And one day, maybe it's managing you. Whether we like it or not, the robot age has officially begun. So, what do you think? Would you let a humanoid robot live in your house? Or does that sound like the start of a sci-fi horror film? And drop your thoughts below. I love hearing what you guys think. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Bowl for more epic tech breakdowns every single week. Because the future isn't waiting, it's already here.